Hello YouTube, today I installed pair of Pioneer Champion subs. These are 400 watt RMS each, 311S4. Okay, these are best subs by in the Champion series. Very good build quality. This is 4 cubic bit box, wedge shape. Ported and tuned to 36 Hz. This is powered by Kicker KX800.1, 0 gauge wiring, double din touchscreen head unit, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay enabled. It's Pioneer AVH Z5090BT. Let me give you demo of this thing. This thing is so loud out of the car. Car is on, air conditioner is on. clean audio, no clipping. So let me tell you, this thing is louder than my Champion Pro 1000 watt RMS subwoofer it was, but this pair is way louder even out of the car. So cone area matters, but to be honest, the lows of the SPL subwoofer, the Pioneer Champion Pro, were way better than these pair of subs, the Champion subs. Okay, these are good daily drivers, but really not the SPL subs. Okay, these are also good for lows, but not as good as the Champion Pro, as it was pure SPL sub. So if your goal is to be loud and have maximum wattage for your investment, then go for pair of Pioneer Champions. They are brutally loud. Roll down your windows and shake the blocks. That is what most of the guys out there are looking for. This was my honest review for my Pioneer Champion series subs. The box is 4 cubic feet, as I told you before, tuned to 36 Hz. That is made by me itself. Currently the subs are facing at the back, and the placement I love is the subs facing at the top, at the roof of the car. But as this is wedge box, I can do that with this one. The subs are powered by Kicker KX800.1, pure 800 watt RMS. That amplifier is not the normal one like Sony or local amps, cheap quality amps. That is very good build quality amp, and it came with the bird sheet of 910 watts RMS, but I am sending only 800 watt RMS clean signal. That's why the output is also so good, and sound quality, the tonal performance, everything is so good. I hope this is most common issue out there with most of the guys, that single SPL sub or pair of normal subs. I will always recommend to have pair, as it is cheaper, it is louder, and it is easily available too. And even if you blow these subs, that is not big loss for you. Actually, Pioneer subs are not easy to blow, at least this old series. The new series is the cheap product by Pioneer. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, please drop your comments below. Subscribe for more. Live loud.